Hello, I'm Harris Benson with John Doherty Realtors. Happy Market Data Monday. On this Monday, I wanted to talk with you all about price per square foot. Now, price per square foot is a widely popular statistic that people will discuss. We'll often use it as measuring sticks to try and figure out whether we overpaid or underpaid or paid the right value. And mistakenly, we will often use it to determine what the price of a specific house might be. On the positive end, price per square foot is a good tool for determining general value of what real estate should be in an area, similar to what we use average and median sales prices for, but it's not to be used for valuing specific properties. When it comes down to it, no two deals are the same, no two homeowners are the same, and no two homes are the same. Yes, there are specific instances where, let's say you're looking at a master plan community out in the suburbs where every house is essentially the same finish level, same age, they're all new construction. In those cases, yes, price per square foot should be emphasized because the houses are the same. But when you're looking at closer in Houston and homes that have been traded before, that really should be put to the side as there are many other factors that come into play. For instance, you'll not only look at location and size of the house, but you also look at the functional space, right? You might have a house that's sold for $200 a foot over here, and down the street you have one that's listed and has similar specs to the home that's sold, but it's $2,150. And the mistake that people will make is they'll calculate the price per square foot of the sold house and multiply it by the size of the other house. What they'll fail to take into account are things such as the effective age of the home, right? What's the current condition of the HVAC equipment, the roof, the foundation. They'll take into account, or they won't take into account, the interior quality, right? How's the flooring looking? Are the interior finishes up to current standards of buyers today? Or will renovation need to happen? And in addition to those things, they won't take into account the market itself, right? Maybe when this house sold, it was a heavy seller's market, whereas now we're in more of a buyer's market. Those things, in addition to many others, will affect value of specific properties. Now, if there's one key takeaway today, it's important to, yes, acknowledge that price per square foot exists, and that might be a good tool to help understand what generally value of an area might be, but it's really not the end-all be-all for understanding value and determining value of one specific property. Now, once again, I'm Harris Benson with John Doherty Realtors. Happy Market Data Monday, and I hope you have a great week.